Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play CS2 Faceit. So if you want to play Counter-Strike 2 Faceit, then what you have to do is first of all go to faceit.com. This is a website. So on this website you have to first create an account. If you already have an account, you can also log in with your account. So I do not have any account on faceit.com, so I will simply click on create an account. So I will type in my email address, click on continue and type in a password and click on next. Now add in your nickname. So add in your nickname, your first name, your last name, and click on next. Choose your country, your date of birth. Now you will receive a 6-digit code on your email address. Copy the 6-digit code and simply click on login. Now you have successfully created a Faceit account. Now, as you can see on the main homepage, you will be able to see some games, Overwatch 2 and the Counter-Strike 2. So I will select on Counter-Strike 2. Now, as you can see, there are so many options. There is a play option, view league option, view tournament option. So if I go to the party finder, I will click on party finder, and from here you will be able to see 51 parties are being displayed. And if you want to connect to the game, simply click on connect. Once you're connected the game, then you will be easily able to play the game with the help of Faceit. So that's simply how you can play CS2 Faceit. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.